Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to day 8 of your virtual learning. I'm going to be going over all the directions and things that you need to be completing for today's learning segments. For English, we're going to start off with reading, and before you read the story, we want you to review pages 12 and 13 about story structure. This is going to be on your Think Central login, which you should know how to do. If you need to, you can refer to day 1's lessons on some instructions. Or I know some of you have brought home your Journeys textbook that you can use. Just open to page 12 and 13. After you review story structure, do the first read of Judy Moody Saves the World, which is pages 14 through 37. You're going to go ahead and review those. Today you're going to be doing some vocabulary. For the directions for your vocabulary, you're going to describe things that relate to each vocabulary word from the story. Below, we have your vocabulary words underlined, such as recycle, projects, dripping, carton, complicated, pollution, rubbish, hardly, shade, and global. What you're going to be doing is listing 2 things that you can recycle, listing 2 projects that would be fun to do in school, and so on. You're going to be writing your answers right on the lines. For spelling today, you can review your Layer 3 red words, or for more challenge, review the Layer 4 challenge words. For science, for the next 5 days, you will be watching Mystery Science videos. Please pick a short video or a long video. Respond below with 3 sentences about something you learned or something you found interesting. The videos are below. So for today, you're going to pick either a short video or a long video. You can do, let's say we pick Why Do Cats Purr? I would click on the link below. It would bring me to Mystery Science. I would go ahead and watch the videos. As we do normally, click the next. And then I would come back after I finish watching and write 3 sentences about something you learned or something you found interesting. You might have seen some of these in class already, but you can always learn something new. You may also want to Google search to find out more information about this topic. For your answers, for your 3 sentences, you're going to write them right below. Going on to math today. Now it's time to see how well you're doing with perimeter lessons that we've been practicing thus far. You're going to log on to Envision's website. When you do so, you're going to click the link. It'll bring you to Pearson Realize. You have to log in and you'll go to Vision's, your 3rd grade textbook. Yours might look a little different than mine. That's only because you have the student version. You're going to actually go at the top and click Classes and click on it. Look for the Digital Enhanced Topic Test. If you can't find it, scroll to the bottom of the page. There might be a second page to open. This will be assigned to you. So just like your quick checks, it'll be assigned to you. You should see the Digital Enhanced Topic Test for topic 13. Take the test. Be sure to use your scrap paper to do so when you're answering your problem so that you don't make mistakes. You will not have to put any of your answers on this doc because you are doing a digital test. It'll record all your answers straight through Pearson. After you take that digital test, please visit Reflex Math for 15 minutes. If you would like to do extra math practice, you are able to log on to Freckle. I understand that some of you do not have a Freckle account. If that is the case, you can log on to Prodigy, or you can click this link right here to access your flashcards online and practice some of those flashcards. It's very important that you keep on top of your flashcards so that when you come back to school, you are prepared with those flashcards. That's all you're doing today. Remember at the end of this to click Turn It In. Where I have Share, yours will say Turn In. Click Turn It In so we can see all of your work. If you do have any questions, remember you can click a button right here, or you can click here to leave a comment for your teacher. In doing that, we will get back to you as soon as we can. It might not be in a couple of seconds. You might have to wait and be patient. If you're really struggling, then have a parent email us and we'll be able to get back to you. Hope to see you guys soon and enjoy learning new things today. Bye!